Hey friends, welcome to Darshan's Journey. In today's video, I'm unboxing the Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7, which is a pen test product developed by Hack5. Let's get started. So this is the Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7 developed by Hack5. Alright, there we go. Here's the card for the Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 5. So here's the 3 amp power source, which is a type C cable. And here are the 3 antennas for it. And here is the main device. There we go. Now let's unbox the antennas. Alright, now let's screw it up. This Wi-Fi Pineapple only supports 2.4 GHz, but with the alpha adapter it can support 5 GHz. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video.